I'm Beno the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off. The interesting thing about all the stuff going on with the banking is it's a large part of the whole premise of why Bitcoin came about and what Bitcoiners have been calling out for years, saying none of this is real. Like everything that our society is based upon, everything it's teetering on the edge of is a fallacy, is a mirage. It's that, again, that clip from the beginning of Wolf of Wall Street with McConaughey, where he's the whole, like, it's nothing. It's imaginary. And still we get the calls of, oh, nothing backs Bitcoin. Bitch, nothing backs anything. What are you talking about? Like, it's when people say money is a shared illusion. Yeah, except for our illusion is a defined set of rules. You must buy into that defined set of rules and then opt into it yourself. Whereas the illusion of fiat is, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Is there a virus? Great. Let's print like 4 trillion of those bitches like tomorrow. We're gonna print 40% of the existing monetary base in a single calendar year. You good with that? Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're doing it anyways. Like it's everything is fake. Oh, also those trillions that we just printed. Yeah, you can leverage the shit out of those. You don't need, like, we're just going to go ahead right now and say 0 reserve requirements. Temporarily. No, we're not going to revoke that. Like this is the system that everything's built on. And everybody says Bitcoin's not backed by anything. It is 100% backed by a set of rules and the laws of physics.